going on YouTube? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat Man, here with another day, another video. As y'all been paying attention on the channel, we've been suffering with the Audio Cat as far as breaking transmission, breaking rear ends. I went to go pick up my car yesterday, and the car truthfully keeps on ripping the rear ends apart. It's a lot of torque. I mean, everybody I talk to, it comes to the same thing. I modded the car. It's giving a lot of issues. It's beginning to bother me. I really got so emotionally hurt yesterday with this car. I don't know what to tell you guys, man. To be honest with you, man, I got mixed emotion right now, keeping it, getting rid of it. I love the car. I'm not gonna lie, I really do love the car, but I think I took it too far. I don't know what to say, man. So this is what I've done so far, man. I got the car built up with the new racing transmission. In fact, as we're speaking, they're actually dropping off the transmission right now. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what we're talking about, so y'all can see what's going on. But that's my racing transmission coming in right now as we speak. This is her. She's gonna be dropped off right now. Keep on going forward. That is my transmission y'all about to see coming down right now on this car. We got the Destroyer Cat here visiting because he hard-headed, you already know. He wants junior. But this is what's going on here, man. But here's my bill of landing. Coming in right now from Rockland Gears, New York, to us here in AUDIOZONE, man. So right now she is being dropped off. I have to bring her down and to let it be, but they're about to drop the transmission. The problem I'm having, man, guys, is that this car keeps on breaking rear ends, breaking drive shaft, breaking axles, breaking everything. I'm not gonna let you get in your car. Nah, the car keeps on breaking everything, y'all, and at this point in time, I'm kind of frustrated. So I'm about to, you know, see if I can take it to the next level. I got the transmission in. We're dealing with the wheel hop issues, and hopefully we get this turned around. So stay tuned as I'm working here on this bad boy. Hopefully we get this situated and get it going as we get this going. So look what's going on. But I dropped my transmission down, and I don't know, guys. I'm very mixed emotion at this point in time with this car. I love her, man, but I just don't love the headaches she gives me. So stay tuned.
That Chinese.
AUDIOZONE DFW, you can see it right there, y'all. So, I don't know, man. I know you ain't too happy seeing this, you know what I'm saying? Because he's like, you know, this happening right now. You see his wife? That's his wife right there. He's seeing this right now, like, damn it, man. He's only gotten faster, damn it. But, you know, this is the Destroyer Cat, man, if y'all don't know him, man. He definitely has a beautiful car. I mean, you can grind it, just, I don't, you know. We have liftoff, ladies and gentlemen. Transil up in the building. The car is done. Park it right there in the middle. Huh?
Watch your foot, sir. I don't want to run over you.
Man, I want you to run over my foot, man. Oh, my foot. You can drop it right there, boss. All right, y'all, so transmission's here. We're gonna be dropping this off too. So stay tuned if we get this. All right, cruise crew. So the transmission's been delivered. I have it back here. I'm going down to my guys at Jackfab Performance. Shout out to Matt and Jack from JackFab. Really been A1 with me since day one, man. They've been doing awesome work and everything, troubleshooting and getting it all done. But I'm gonna let you just know an update. We're driving there right now. We're driving to where they are. And when we get there, we're gonna give you an update of what they have to say about the build. All right, guys, so we made it here to JackFab. We got Mr. Matt right there behind me. We got Mr. Jack back there doing his stuff. We have a bunch of mopars if it was going on. Trackhawk, that's a Challenger Hellcat. That's a SRT Jeep. That's a what over there? That's the one that I had in the video earlier that we're gonna be seeing. It could be a swap out of a Hellcat using the factory computer for 392. Crazy build. We have another Hellcat here, another Hellcat back there, another Hellcat right here. We have Henry's Hellcat right here. We got another. This is a 392, correct? That's a 426 now. You see that? 426. Another Hellcat. That's a Hellcat. The Audio Cat herself, which mixed emotions, and a Dodge Demon. So, I mean, things are looking good. They're getting busy over here now. A lot of money coming in his pocket. I'm kind of, you know, he believes in my thing. I don't dress up for nothing. I don't need you to know nothing. That's how I believe it, right? Don't show no nothing. That's how it works out. But man, this is JackFab. So let me show you guys what's going on. Mr. Matthew took a delivery of. So me and a football player did it. I don't know if me and you can.
There's a football player.
Guy in the shot. Alrighty. One corner down. Alright. So let's unbox this bad boy. So they want me to put a stick in the car. We'll talk about that. This is what the price normally is. I called. That's what I got it for. And I can't really disclose that figure, but that was a discount. Plus, they also put the synchro gas, the oil system that's supposedly in there already. The transmission should be lubed out, but I'm gonna walk you through what's going on. Why are you eating my box, man? Hey, so look what's going on. As we begin the unboxing here, I'm gonna show you how this is the oil. And that's the tranny. There's a shirt in here somewhere, I don't know where it's at. There's a shirt in here, they gave me a shirt. Right there. But this is actually the old part, so they're saying that they've never seen this broken before. Because this was broken on my car.
Wow.
Yes, this is from, you see all the cracks going on here? This was from doing the 4,000 RPM launches in Memphis. So I'm out to fame. You can't hook these cars at 4,000. I mean, this is the proof. Look at the first one that they've seen. Then I think if you look very closely to this, you see all the crack going down here. Wow. On that video that we had with Mount Fame, he said, just send it. Well, bro, we're not sending it no more because you can see what's going on there. Then, but they put me a new one. Then they changed, look at all the internals on my gears. Look at this, guys.
Oh my God.
This is the old transmission from the AUDIOZONE. That is the gears. Look at the gears of the AUDIOZONE transmission. As you can see that it's been worn down everywhere. 100% broken everywhere. You gotta pay attention to this, right? Look. This is how the AUDIOZONE broke the transmission. Then look at this, guys. So this is it's literally smeared the gears completely flat on that part right there. All right, y'all see it? Jack, look at this. Roll this around and look at the gear displacement on that. Yeah. Looks pretty badass, right?
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Look at this case housing down here. You see all the cracks? Then look at this gear. Okay. So they sent me everything so I can see this, and I'm giving y'all the video. All the other gears were perfect, supposedly. So this gear that you see in there is the fourth gear. All the other gears were perfect in the car. These are all my parts that they sent me. So shout out to Tranzilla in doing this. But I got a question for you, Jack. From seeing this, it looked like it was seriously hurt. They had to put me a new cap on it, as you could tell. Yeah. And they gave me everything done. So they actually took care of it. This is the transmission. And you know what the funny part is now? That my part numbers, my VIN numbers are matching my car again. Because that's the original transmission for the car. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
But they gave me everything there. I don't know what to say, guys, but this is what I'm gonna say. So Tranzilla, man, they basically gave us a recommendation. We went with it. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if it can really hold up to its name. If it can really do what it needs to do. They shortened down the first gear. So now instead of getting to 60, we're going to 40, but it also helps get the weight off the light. We're going to about to play with it. I brought it here to JackFab. I'm going to let them do what they need to do so they can get the transmission in there and hopefully get the results that we're looking for, being able to get some good power down to the streets and get it back to normal again. I'm going to go through them some other stuff, so stay tuned. I'll keep you on a minute, but I got to talk to them some other stuff. All right, guys, so I've just finished leaving Fab Performance. They have the transmission, as y'all can see what the damages were, man. I can't even tell you that. It's kind of shocking to see that in that conditions, but it is what it is, right? So at this point in time, they got it. We're gonna keep on getting it. We're gonna make the AUDIOZONE the fastest seal block OEM supercharged manual Hellcat on the planet. And being that one, we're gonna go after a lot of guys out there too, man. I mean, they got different kind of build. We're just gonna have fun and keep on going. But stay tuned if we keep on working on the AUDIOZONE. You know, I want to always thank you guys for the support that y'all give me, man. And we keep on building this AUDIOZONE to be the best. But we will be out there on June 5th in Chicago at the Gap Fest. Please come out there and support. And just come up to us, man. We're there for you guys. And walks the audio, Captain Nova Kane, and the rest of us race. Don't forget to always share, subscribe, and like these videos, man. It's important. Y'all be good and God bless.